Hello, English learners. Today, we'll learn how to talk about small everyday problems in English. Ready? Let's begin.
Oh no.
I fell off the chair.
Oh no.
I fell off the chair. I spilled my juice on the table. I spilled my juice on the table. I burnt my shirt while ironing. I burnt my shirt while ironing. My closet is messy again. My closet is messy again. My blanket is too warm. My blanket is too warm. My ice cream melted so fast. My ice cream melted so fast. My mirror has a crack in it. My mirror has a crack in it. The garbage bin is full. The garbage bin is full. My plant looks dry and wilted. My plant looks dry and wilted. My vegetables are no longer fresh. My vegetables are no longer fresh. My doorbell doesn't ring. My doorbell doesn't ring. The door handle feels loose. The door handle feels loose. My iron isn't getting hot. My iron isn't getting hot. My printer ran out of ink. My printer ran out of ink. This window won't close properly. This window won't close properly. The soap is so slippery. The soap is so slippery. The TV remote batteries are dead. The TV remote batteries are dead. There's no space left on the shoe rack. There's no space left on the shoe rack. The drawer is stuck again. The drawer is stuck again. My car won't start, not again. My car won't start, not again. My headphones are all tangled up. My headphones are all tangled up. My phone battery is almost dead. My phone battery is almost dead. It's raining and I forgot my umbrella. It's raining and I forgot my umbrella. I lost my wallet somewhere. I lost my wallet somewhere. The road is crowded with traffic. The road is crowded with traffic. My shoes got wet in the rain. My shoes got wet in the rain. My fruit got bruised. My fruit got bruised. The light bulb is broken. The light bulb is broken. My shirt looks wrinkled again. My shirt looks wrinkled again. My toothpaste tube is empty. My toothpaste tube is empty. My favorite shirt has a big stain. My favorite shirt has a big stain. I can't find my keys anywhere. I can't find my keys anywhere. My bag feels so heavy today. My bag feels so heavy today. I missed the bus this morning. I missed the bus this morning. Oops. I dropped my ice cream. Oops. I dropped my ice cream. My socks are wet, yuck. My socks are wet, yuck. My glasses are dirty, I can't see clearly. My glasses are dirty, I can't see clearly. My watch isn't working. My watch isn't working. My shoes are dirty and muddy. My shoes are dirty and muddy.
Oh no.
I burnt the rice.
Oh no.
I burnt the rice. These are common English sentences for small daily problems. Repeat them aloud to practice speaking naturally. Even small mistakes can be good practice for learning English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep practicing every day.